Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video is an overview of the opportunity section and we will learn about how the opportunity tab works and what you can do and see which stage of your pipeline they are right now. So let's move on to the features. First of all, from this drop down, you can switch between the pipelines. As you can see, I have two pipelines named as recruiting and sales pipelines, and next we've got the search bar. With this search bar, you can search your opportunities by their names, phone, email, company, tags, and contact name. And next we've got this button. With this button, you can sort opportunities by dates they were added or by the value of the deal, and with this button over here you can toggle between ascending or descending. Next we've got the filter button. With this you can apply filters to opportunities. For example, we have this owner filter over here. With this owner filter you can select the owner if you have assigned a contact or lead to a specific person. And you can learn about all of these filters by just going through them once, as they are so easy to understand. But I will give you another example from one of these filters. Let's take this status filter. With this filter, you can filter out opportunities through their statuses. Let's say if you want to find the opportunities which were abandoned or lost, you can simply check this abandoned button and check this lost button. Then click on the apply button over here. And yep, so as you can see, all of the abandoned and lost opportunities are shown over here. I think that's enough for the filters part. Let's move on to the next feature. Next, we've got this menu button. From here, you can export your opportunities, and with this additional info drop-down, you can choose to show information on your opportunities and then just simply click apply. Now let's try adding an opportunity into our sales pipeline. By clicking this opportunity button over here, a dialog box will appear. There you go. Now let's start adding data into all these fields. First we've got the contact details, and now I will select a random contact from this drop down. Let's take this one. And then we have the email and phone number for this contact. Next is the opportunity details. First, we have the opportunity name, the pipeline in which you want to add this opportunity, and the stage of the pipeline, then the status of the opportunity, and then we have the value of this for this opportunity. For now, let me add a random value here. There you go. Next, we have this owner drop down here. Here you will add the person who is in charge of handling or managing this opportunity. Next, we have this followers drop down. In here, you will add the person or user who is following up with this opportunity. It can be a person, someone like the account owner. Next, in this business name field, you will add the business name of the opportunity. I'll input XYZ here, and then we have this source opportunity source field. Here you will add the source from where the opportunity came from. I will add, let's say, FB. Next, we've got this tags drop down here. From here, you can add a tag to your opportunity. Next, with this add/manage fields button, you can create your own custom fields to shape your opportunities and collect relevant data for better decision making. For now, don't worry about this. We will cover this in the video of custom field section. For now, let's move on and hit create. What is it saying? Okay, so it says that I already have an opportunity for this contact. So let's head back and change the contact name, user ABC, opportunity name, user ABC, and let's hit create now. Okay, so our opportunity is successfully created as you can see over here. You can change or update information for your opportunities. For that, click on the opportunity cards for which you want to change the information and a dialog box will appear. I will click on this user ABC opportunity card. The dialog box appeared. From here you can change the information and then click on this update button. You also have this hide empty fields feature. With this feature, you can hide all those fields which has no value. For example, we have no value in this owner field. When I check this, it will hide the owner field. We've got these buttons on our opportunity cards. I will explain all of these buttons one by one. First, we've got this view conversations button. With this button, you can view the conversation with the opportunity. Next, we have the add tags button. With this button, you can add tags to your opportunity. Next, we have the add notes button. With this button, you can add notes or comments for your own help. For example, if I click this dialog box will appear and you can add your comment here. You can add a comment like something like this opportunity is abandoned or something like that. Then click on this add note button. Next, we have this add task button. With this, you can add tasks for users. For example, uh, first we have to input the title. Let's say um, call opportunity description. Uh, give a voice call to this opportunity, and then with this drop down, you can assign it to the specific user, and you can add the due date for this task from here and then click on this add task button. You can see that it the task is successfully created. Then with this button over here you can book an appointment with your opportunity. If you want to change stage of your opportunities, you can do it by two ways. You can simply drag it from one stage to the required stage, or you can open the opportunity details by clicking on the opportunity card and change it from this drop down, and then click on the update button. Now let's move on and learn how to create a new pipeline. Click this pipelines button over here, and now we are in the pipelines window. Here you can see all of your previous pipelines, and with this pencil icon over here you can edit a pipeline, and with this pin icon you can delete a pipeline. But If you remove the pipeline, please be aware that it will result in the deletion of associated opportunities. Now let's create a new pipeline. Let's start by giving this pipeline a name. Let's say sales 2, and this is the name of the first stage. So I will add leads in. Then I will add another stage by clicking this button. Let's say conversations, then appointment booked, then appointment showed. Okay, so you can use these arrows to change the order of the stages, and on the right hand side of each stage you can toggle, you have the option to toggle on or off the visibility in the pie chart and the visibility in the funnel chart, or you can also delete uh, each stage individually. And at the bottom you have the option to toggle on or off the visibility in funnel chart and the visibility in pie chart as a whole. Once you are done with adding stages and you are satisfied with the settings, uh, click the save button over here. Okay, so as you can see, a new pipeline is added here. Let's move back to the opportunities window and see if, okay, so we have the sales to pipeline here also. You can continue to add opportunities like I told you earlier, and you can add new stages to this pipeline by editing this pipeline from this pencil icon. And yep, I think that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.